To create a 9:16 portrait video in Artlist AI, start by opening your Artlist account and going to the AI video generator inside the AI toolkit. This is where you can generate videos using text prompts and different AI models. Once inside the video generator, click Create New Video to begin your project. After that, select the video model that best fits your creative goal, such as cinematic, realistic, or stylized options depending on the type of video you want to create. Next, locate the aspect ratio setting in the generation panel. This setting controls the shape and orientation of your video. To create a portrait video, choose the 9:16 vertical format. This format is commonly used for mobile content such as TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. After selecting 9:16, move to the prompt box and describe your video idea. Since you are working in a vertical format, it helps to think in terms of portrait composition. You can describe centered subjects, vertical movement, close-up framing, or tall environments to ensure the AI structures the scene properly. If available, you can also upload a reference image to guide the composition or style of your video. This is useful if you want consistent visuals or a specific look across multiple generations. Next, adjust any additional settings such as duration, motion intensity, or resolution, depending on your project needs. These settings help fine-tune how the final video looks and feels. Once everything is ready, click Generate Video. The AI will process your prompt and generate a video in a 9:16 vertical format. When it is complete, preview the output to check framing, subject placement, and overall composition. If the result doesn't look right, you can refine your prompt by adding more detail about vertical framing or adjust settings, and generate again until you get the desired result. Finally, download your 9:16 portrait video and use it for social media content, short-form videos, advertisements, or mobile storytelling. And that's how you create a 9:16 portrait video in Artlist AI. Select the vertical format, write a well-framed prompt, generate your video, and refine until it fits your mobile-first content perfectly.